Okay, ready? I actually went in third gear and then I went to second towards the top.
I heard you when you chipped it. Oh, not bad, huh?
No, that's pretty easy. You should try it, Chuck.
Yeah, next time.
Or you want to go up and I can follow you?
What if we both go up? You go up the way you went, and I'll go up to the one over here on the right.
All right.
And Chuck will record us.
That'd be cool. I was doing like 37 miles per hour up the hill.
Yeah, the thermometer on this shit?
Yeah, you got a speedometer on there.
I was doing 37.5 miles an hour.
What?
I could have gone faster up, but I just didn't know if there was going to be like some whoops, you know? I didn't want to be going. But yeah, it's pretty smooth. You just hold the gas on. It's pretty easy.
Yeah. Ready?
Yep. Oh, that's pretty cool.